can't return a system looking like this with dead flies inside and so much dust. So let's take this PC out back and blow it out. That looks so much better, but what doesn't is this rat's nest of cables, but I think that can be easily fixed by first flipping the CPU cooler fan around so the cables aren't coming towards the side panel, rather going towards the motherboard, giving you a much cleaner look. And we can do the same thing with this rear fan that has the cables coming out towards the side panel, when if we just have them go away from us, they won't be in the way. And we can do the same thing with our top two fans, which right now are set as intake, when I'd rather have those top two as exhaust to remove all that hot air up top. So let's flip them. And because that removes all of our RGB connections now around back, that's where we're gonna take our hub and place it. And that's already made a big difference. But speaking of flipping things, we also want to flip this power supply, because in most cases you want the fan down, as it isolates it from the rest of the case when it comes to things like heat. But also flipping it actually has the advantage when it comes to cable management, because it moves all the cables to the far side, making them a little less obvious. And then when it comes to cable management in general, a little pro tip to make things look clean is to always avoid crossing cables when it's not necessary, as your eyes kind of get drawn to the points where they cross over. Fortunately, we can fix a lot of this by rerouting these front panel connectors. It looks like our HD audio cable is the problem here. So instead, let's run that around back so we can bring it through in the bottom down here where it's not so obvious. And then let's do the same thing with the rest of our front panel headers. And while we're at it, we can also pull out our SATA cables we're not using anymore, which really cleans up the final bit of cable management, where we can go ahead and fire this system now back up, which looks so much cleaner than it did before. So let's get this gaming PC back over to our customer.